So we just got this new ball right here. Y'all gotta check out my husband and his outfit. Babe, show your outfit. Do a turn, do a turn. Check the shoes out, y'all. Look at that, look at that. What's up, y'all? It's another day. It's morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we headed to another adventure. That's right, another adventure.
Okay, this is the refrigerator finished in full for us to enjoy our trip. Booyah for the kids. We got a little more, you know. Booyah, we got a little more. It's another refrigerator. So, we got our heat going so the kids will be hot. Got the TV going so they can watch TV enjoying themselves. Got my daughter over there strapped up so she don't hurt herself. Got my grandson playing with his toys. Got my son right here wanting to see the dog.
We just got in, just found us a spot, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Everybody knows what they gotta do to unload, so I'm about to unload.
She all sweating? Dad, go! Come on, Dad! You don't win this. Don't think I'm ever helping you. No! Okay, you first, Dad, then. I'm trying to help you.
I got that real old man strength.
That's the one. Dad, come on, wait! Come on, Lena, come on, Lena, come on! Stop it, Dad! It is! Remember that so I can fall down? Come on, Dad, push it!
Push it, huh?
Yeah! Yeah! Take her out! Do it! Dad, your head is right by your arm. Go, Dad!
I'm a brand new model with a brand new model. Yeah, I called up Carlos. Said I won't be calling. He said I'm
You knew which way to go. I want to get one with them.
Casinos have hacks. Yeah. So you can get a lot of money.
His dad is a man. Yeah.
I got a question. Top 10 things RVers forget when they getting ready to leave.
Food.
What was the question?
Chargers.
Must say phone chargers.
What else?
Take mine everywhere.
What else?
Socks.
They forget socks.
Clothes.
They forget internet boxes. They forget movies.
Oh, toothbrushes.
Toothbrushes.
Kids.
No, they don't forget their kids. Come on, y'all.
You get your kids in the car sometime when you're tired at night, you say, oh shit, I forgot the baby.
Man, you hang up to get back up too.
I am looking for
What did we forget? We forgot
deodorant.
a pooper, the pooper hose. We got the extension, but we didn't get the pooper hose, the actual pooper hose. The water hose had holes in it, so we had to go. So this is what's left of the donuts. Got a watermelon. I'm gonna cut that up. Kids love bananas. The babies love bananas. There's royalty. Good morning, Royal. Got the TV on. Yeah, and I'm about to wash these dishes right now. But it's like 9:50 right now in the morning. And I'm about to cook breakfast.
This is me showing my wife how to make pancakes. So this is me doing it. It's going in the thing. A nice amount. Booyah. Then you wait for it to bubble. And when the bubbles come all over the whole pancake, buddy, guess what you get? You get that. And it looks like that. And then we're gonna eat it with that. Oh yeah. What would you do if you were here with me? Enjoy your breakfast, right? Me too. I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. Yes, I am. But yeah, you just sit here, I guess a minute or two at the most.
Watch me,
And
man.
just watch your pancake and watch it make holes for you. It's gonna make holes. My daughter wants a light pancake. So in order for me to make her a light one, I would have to do it before all the holes come. So to show you guys a light pancake compared to, I like dark ones. Here's a light one. Gently get it, grab it all the way around, and quickly flip her. Never forget, nice pancake. Come on, just right. Just right. Nice, fluffy, thick, juicy pancakes. Oh yeah.
I just want to take the time to tell you guys thank you so much for watching the Williams Family Adventure.
Oh yeah.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Continue to watch for more videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching.
Go on with the rest of them, man. Go on with the rest of them.
So that's impressive. How much